Hello guys, and today I'm going to cook. Okay, hello guys, so today I'm going to cook this one. Okay. So here's our ingredients. So let's unpack this. Okay, here it is. Now let's cook. Okay, shall we? Huh. But first I need to remove this pan because well I'm going to cook here. Now let's wash this pan, I guess. So now that the pan is clean, let's get some wood right here. Maybe we need 7 of them or maybe 10 of them. Here it is. I'm just going to arrange them. Today it's already arranged there. Just going to put this here. First, we need to put some water in here. To boil the water so that I can put the noodles here. And well, okay. I think this is enough, right? Next is we're going to fire them up. Okay, oops, we ran out of matches, so here it is. So I'm just going to get some things that can be burned, such as this thing, the carton. Okay. I think it's burning up. See, it's burning up. Let's wait until it boils up. There's no changes, but we need to wait a little further. Okay. I think it's boiling up. Yeah, I think it's not visible in the camera, but I think it's obvious, right? Let's wait a little further to get this ready. The recipes, these, and these. Okay, and we need to put this there. Yeah, I need to put the lid on this so it gets stretchy. Yes, put the lid here and wait for another 3 minutes. So let's have some patience. And while I'm waiting for that to be cooked, I need to watch TV. Okay, so let's go to the sofa. So we're currently watching MSA, as you can see.
I was blown back by an imaginary gust of wind, thrust into... What do you want? I just wanted to leave. How could I...
Let's check the noodles if it's cooked or not. In a moment of the finish. Okay. 1, 2, 3, open. Okay, it's not cooked. Again. And wait for another 1 minute. This is our meal for the day. But forgot about this, that's why I cooked the noodles. But never mind. Okay.
On the bed, crying. Yep, computer. The search results from earlier. I detonated a pencil. Sneakily clicked on one of the links.
Let's check the noodles if it's cooked. I know it's cooked. Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it is. Let's remove some water because I successfully removed the water. So let's put the milk. Okay. we're going to mix this. You should put a little more fuel. There it is. It will look creamy. Okay. Let's put the seasonings here. Here is all the ingredients. Now let's mix this up. It looks like spaghetti. But taste it. Nah, never mind. Here's the finished product. And if you're wondering why is it so little, it's because I shared it with my sister. So that's all. Right, goodbye. So what's the quality of the food?
It's great.